Fire it up! Well, we rebuilt this Holley carb, and it's in a previous video. I'll link to it later. Turns out, cheap rebuild kit, leaky carburetor. So, we're going to fix it today. Okay, boys and girls, take two, I guess. Still gonna be some gas in here. I emptied out a lot of it. But, let's see, let's pull the secondary side apart and see if we can get it to stop leaking. My big issue is that it was just leaking through all the gaskets and causing a rich condition. So this time around, we got a Holley trick kit, as they like to call it. Originally, I had used a generic off-brand Holley wannabe rebuild kit that was supposed to be good for a few different applications. There's a little O-ring in here. Anyways, what we're going to do is rebuild this carburetor one more time. This time though, with the Holley brand kit. So, and hopefully that resolves our issue and we can start enjoying our little parts runner that we're gonna have here for the shop. I don't really have faith in the quality of the seals and gaskets that came in this aftermarket kit. This will be the third time actually going through this carburetor because well, tried to get it to stop leaking once with the existing set of gaskets that I had, and well, that didn't really work. So, here we are, trying to go through this a third time. It's a Saturday, by the way, so I'm a little less rushed. I don't have any pressing projects today, anyway. Here's a metering block. I have returned. Okay, so here we are. Here's our power valve. And when I say power valve, I mean the aftermarket power valve. So we'll remove that. Here is our Holley replacement power valve, which we are going to thread in here. I have to hold it this way. I'm trying to center the gasket. Alright. So now, there's a special tool for tightening this power valve. Honestly, there's a 12.1 inch socket. Fits on there quite nicely without scoring up the face of the metering valve or metering block. There we go. Snugged in there. Right. These are our main jets here. I'm not even sure what size they are, but the original. What does that say on there? 66s, it looks like. Alright. So that's that. That's our metering valve, our metering block with our power valve installed. Yeah, so as I was saying, guys, I can't stress this enough. The feel you get assembling this carburetor with the Holley brand gaskets, I feel reassured in the sealing capabilities of these Holley gaskets. The other carburetor gaskets didn't feel as positive as these ones do, in particular. haven't adjusted anything else, haven't taken anything else apart on here. There we go. Apparently my camera shut off again. Anyways, there it is, back together. Holley trick kit. Feels like a good kit. Hopefully that solves my leakage problem. And now we're going to take it back over to the car and see what happens. Thanks again, Holley.